Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So let's start with the interview.
Sure.
Sir, how was your experience as an instructor of this workshop?
Well, I've been conducting this workshop for a long time, and every time I've met people, and it's always, quite enjoyable with always the new people. And when I see on the other side, when the people are very enthusiastic, it generates all the more interest actually to pass it on and to share the knowledge with each other.
Thanks. In what way will this workshop be useful to farmers, students, and professionals?
This workshop, which is extraction and isolation of the phytochemical, has been specially designed so that to encourage those who are especially interested in phytochemistry, and so that they feel confident that they will be able to extract and isolate phytochemical, and which definitely has a good market value. And if they come out with a range of the phytochemicals, I'm sure I think they will be able to make a profession out of it.
Sir, what is your motivation to conducting this workshop?
Well, for a long time actually, though we have Ayurveda in our Ayurveda is the legal system of medicine, but the due emphasis is not being given to that. And I feel one of the reasons actually because our products are not something which is standardized and coming to the quality of the international level. And I feel actually in case if we make available phytochemicals, probably standardization of the Ayurvedic product may take place in a better way, and then probably we'll have the Ayurvedic product will have a better global acceptability than what it is present in the current format.
Sir, what advice would you give to budding pharmacists interested in pharmacology?
I will not advise, but I will definitely have a suggestion that yes, I feel there is a possibility of making career actually, not just in extraction isolation, but in different aspects of the pharmacology. Because as I told you, I feel actually the next in healthcare, more and more people are going to rely on the naturals in future. And definitely, when we talk about the naturals, definitely there should be a more standardized product, more product which are sure, which works for sure. And there I feel the pharmacists will have a key role to play in that. So coming out with set product, and probably then the proper justice should be done to the individual system of medicine.
Sir, do you have any words for the team of IPA-MSB-SF?
Any words? I'm sure. I'm very really thankful actually for the IPA, because this for the first time we officially got associated, and well, both of us got a good platform. When we look at it from the ICT angle, yes, I've been able to associate with the national forum called IPA. Though it may be just Maharashtra brand, but it is national forum, and even my team has felt nice actually that here our effort ultimately is getting recognized. Okay, at the national forum. So yes, my experience, and I'm really happy that I'm associated with the IP.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you.